Discover the charm and convenience of Fairhaven, a new home community in Statesboro, Georgia, thoughtfully designed for comfort, space, and modern living. The exclusive 57-lot community features larger lot sizes, offering a little more privacy, along with professionally landscaped and irrigated yards, giving you a move-in ready outdoor space to enjoy from day one. At Fairhaven, you'll find a variety of thoughtfully designed floor plans, including select homes with 3-car garages, perfect for extra storage, a golf cart or side-by-side, or just a little more room for the way you live. Enjoy nearby walking trails and outdoor recreation, ideal for an active lifestyle. Located just minutes from Georgia Southern University and within reach of major employers like Hyundai Meta Plant and Gulfstream Aerospace, Fairhaven offers both convenience and connectivity, plus quick access to Savannah and Pooler. And with USDA eligibility offering 100% financing, homeownership here is more attainable than ever. If you're searching for new construction homes in Statesboro, Georgia, with more space, more privacy, and a prime location, you'll find it here at Fairhaven.